I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident I win till the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick other niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're bringing our city back.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Benny G Buckets
and George, aka Sticks.
And we're back to business as usual.
Today, guys, what we're going to be doing is a pretty fresh custom that we've already done before on a pair of Air Jordan 11 Retros.
This custom is going to be the Pinnacle 11s that you guys have seen. However, we do have something a little special for y'all.
So, as you guys can tell, I'm wearing some new merchandise. If you guys mess with SneakPeak, you can tell. Obviously, it's new. Well, for the month of March, what we're going to be doing is we're going to have some featured merchandise with a featured custom. Pretty much, this shirt was made to go with the custom that we're about to do, which is the Pinnacles.
So basically, for the entire month of March, if you get the Pinnacle custom, you get the shirts. That combo saves you 20 bucks.
But that's enough talking from us, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the video, see how these turn out. Hopefully you guys mess with it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as you know, first step to any custom is preparation. These were already cleaned. I know you can't tell because they look like doggy doo-doo, but they are cleaned. Next step is to go ahead and prep these using acetone and cotton balls. So let's go ahead and get into that.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eat, then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people.
Alright, so now that these have been fully prepared, we can begin the customization. What we're going to do is we're going to paint from the patent leather down completely white. So let's go ahead and get into it.
For my people, for my people.
Ooh, where I come from, it ain't peaceful. So I'm sliding with a weapon that's lethal. On the hunt for the eagle. And that's the cops, cause they ain't treating us equal. They kill a black and get away like it's legal. They get away like it's legal. So many times, since way back, it's a sequel. It's pure facts, most crack is deceitful. We need unity in this world like crackheads need they needle. It's enough heart to spread around to the needful. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like what's wrong with my people. I'm too solid to ever switch. Don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when all my trust in this.
Alright ladies, so you can see the top of the shoes are taped very durably. Reason for that, you might be a little confused, is because we won't be painting these by hand. We're going to be painting these today using an airbrush. All we need for that is our flat white and some Angelus Too Thin, and of course our airbrush. So let's go ahead and get started painting these, and we should be good to go. Let's get it, guys.
And I ain't never told my nigga. Lips sealed so my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on my illa. Rather do 100 years in a hole, my nigga.
I was never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eat, then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people. For my people, for my people. Some niggas folded on me, but I never fold. Fuck niggas, boy, I don't fuck with those. Can't even grind it, nigga. You know I'm on my toes. I do this for my mama, I put that on my soul. Your baby boy done did it now. Yeah, he killing now. Yeah, they fuck with me now. Yeah, okay, I'm that nigga now. But niggas want me down, come thinking knock down. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on. So we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more. And when I'm done, just hold me down, Lord. I promise it won't be for long. Promise it won't be for long. Cause I put my all in this shit. So I'm going off of this shit. Yeah. I'm going off of this shit. Cause I put my all in this shit.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eat, then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people.
Ball on him.
We finna ball on him.
I'm a ball on him.
Finna ball on him. Hey, finna ball on him. Yeah. Finna ball on him.
Ooh.
Hey,
See my pop smooth dope, probably why I'm a dope nigga. Mom ain't want me in them streets cause it wasn't no hope. And emoji laced me with the game, he threw me the fold nickel. Keep your eyes on your enemies and watch your folks, nigga. Say they wanna see you eat, but they praying you choke, nigga. Breaking out my shell, it get slimy like egg yolk. Putting on for my home, I do this for Fresno. See you jump the line before I said go, I let the thing go, you get penalized. Don't believe me, nigga, when I see these niggas, I'ma treat these niggas like a finish line. If it's beef, then we eat like it's dinner time. If you hate, nigga, go get in line. These niggas sweet like pumpkin pie. Bump the drawers with center eyes, send the biggest nigga, let the chopper rock and don't stop, nigga, till he minimize. These niggas ain't eating like Ramadan. Chopper leave a nigga traumatized. Soak a nigga like a sip aside, and I'm never high when it's drama time. Got this glazzy when it's greasy, I promise it won't jam. Better control your mans before he die in your hands.
And I'ma ball on him, oh yeah. Now I got bad niggas in my wallet and I ball on him. New chain, yeah. All black Bruce Wayne, big ring, yeah. Big knots, I feel my bank, yeah. Bands in my hand, it's all here.
I ain't changed, get money, remain the same. Just had to run up my chains, now I ball on them.
I put that on my grandpa, I never changed. I'm finna pull up on these niggas in a white range. Yeah, I'm in it for the money, so it's fuck the fame. I took a couple L's, but I got more to gain. Yeah, these niggas prayed on my downfall. Now I'm scooping up the bag like a grandpa. Had to get it out the mud like a groundhog. I smoke a nigga like a fucking menthol. Yeah, they prayed on my downfall. Now I'm scooping up the bag like a grandpa. Had to get it out the mud like a groundhog. I smoke a nigga like a fucking menthol. All because I know they hate, I know they envy. If you a rat, I'ma call you many. If you got fans, if you got
and I'ma ball on them, oh yeah. Now I got bad niggas in my wallet and I ball on them. New chain, yeah. All black Bruce Wayne, big range, yeah. Big knots, I feel my bank, yeah. Bands in my hand.
Alright guys, so now as you can tell, the Pinnacle design is complete. The next step to this custom is to go ahead and give it that little twist that we were talking about earlier. So as you guys can see on the shirt that we created, we have a mountain design. Pretty much we want to replicate a design or something of the sort to resemble that, and all we're going to do to do that is use some tape and a precision knife to cut out some mountain shapes over here and then hit them with some red. So let's go ahead and get into that, guys, and then these shoes will be pretty much done. Let's see how they turn out. Alright guys, so just to give you an idea, we did the cutting off camera. You can see we cut out the triangular shapes of the mountains. What we're going to do now is we're going to hit these with a base coat of white, and then we'll be touching up the outsides with some red. And then that'll pretty much replicate our design. So let's go ahead and get that started, and then we'll see how it turns out.
I ain't changed, get money, remain the same. Just had to run up my chains, now I ball on them.
Pops was always in my life, he taught me how to be a man. He said I'll fall for anything if I don't ever take a stand. I remember when my first hustle was collecting cans, scraping up a couple dollars, now the boy collecting bands. I can show you how to get it, flip 100 to $1,000. When you flip it, stay consistent, run it up as much as you can. See, I came up from an era where they used to throw them hands, but as I got a little older, niggas started using hands. I work alone, I don't condone it, homies telling on they mans. How the fuck is snitches living? Some I never understand. Why the fuck is killer snitching? Please help me understand. Pushed up on me 10 deep, I swear to God I never ran. I rock alone, been on my own since I stepped foot on this land. But got some riders that'll slide, they just waiting on that command. They keep it glizzy when it's greasy, I promise it won't jam. You better control your man before he die in your hands.
And I'ma ball on him, oh yeah. Now I got bad niggas in my wallet and I ball on him. New chain, yeah. All black Bruce Wayne, big range, yeah. Big knots, I feel my bank, yeah. Bands in my hand, it's all here.
I ain't changed, get money, remain the same. Just had to run up my chains, now I ball.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, this is how the triangles came out. Obviously they aren't perfect, they need some touch-ups with the black, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to add a red outline, but we will be doing that off camera just for the sake of time. And then once that's done, we're going to hit these with finish, and these should be good to go. So let's see how these bad boys turn out.
L at the elbow, turned them L's into blessings. After my first loss, I turned them L's into lessons. Told mama I gotta sit back and watch it, no more stress. Cause I've been grinding for this shit, working harder than a mess. Lord knows I ain't living right. So if a nigga try me, he gon' taste this fire. Lord knows I ain't living right. So if a nigga try me, he gon' taste his fire. Everything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. What if Dr. King was president, you ever thought of that? I done been walked over, stepped on like a doormat. Niggas swear they feel with loyalty, but I swear that it's no attack. Biting from the hand that feeds you, nigga, what you call that? That's the type of shit that make me rearrange your ball cap. That's the type of shit that make me rearrange your ball cap. I'm rockin' Robin now, y'all can take them truths back. What was bitches back when I was using food stamps? Anything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Anything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back.
Alright, Theo, that's the end of this video.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And as always, guys, if you would leave some comments, we'd greatly appreciate it. Down low below this video, there's a description where we have all our information, our Snapchats, our Instagrams, our email. So go ahead and check that out if you ever want to hit us up.
And never forget to visit spr15.com. Today's quote of motivation is, never envy somebody for what they have. Instead, congratulate them because we all have the same 24 hours a day to grind. So from your boys at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
And George, a.k.a. Sticks.
It's only one way.
Leggy.
Go.
Go crazy on the beat.
Get your merchandise. Get your merch. SneakPeak, let's get it.
You ain't know it. Nigga switched up in your range, it's hard on it. Put me in the field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slipping, put him in a body bag. Put me in the field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slipping, put him in a